Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from Quest Global. Quest Global is hiring 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 and 2020 password batch candidates for software engineer role. For this, BE, BTech and BSc candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible of engineering, but if you have done BSc, then only computer science and statistics branches candidates can apply. But if you have done BE or BT, then all branches candidates can apply. Good news is there is no percentage criteria. Salary will be between 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. It depends upon your performance in the interview. Job location I will discuss in this video. So in this video I will discuss what are the required skills, how to apply, what is the selection process, everything I'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in English. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Updates for You, where you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this official website. Here you can see all the details regarding the job locations will be Bangalore, right? Once you scroll, you can find these details. So let's zoom this so that you can read it properly. Yeah, so roles and responsibilities: working with oil and gas domain data sources. Don't worry, this is a software engineering job, coding job, okay? But domain will be this: analyzing requirements to develop dashboards and or reports, solve business problems using data analytics softwares, communicate and coordinate with team members and different team with respect to requirements and provide solutions. After that, communicate and collaborate with clients, shareholders and to achieve project objectives. After that, be able to work in high pressure environment, right? And required skills are technical competency, right? So required skills are bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science or statistics, right? After that, 0 to 1 year of experience in field of analytics. So if you have 0 year of experience, then also you can apply, but if you have experience up to 1 year, then also you can apply. Road to data science, right? Strong analytical skills with high attention to detail and accuracy. After that, hands-on experience with the business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, etc. If you have done any projects using these technologies or an internship, then you can apply. Expertise in MS Office suite, strong knowledge and hands-on experience over Python and or R programming language would be a great advantage. So if you have any experience, any internship, any projects if you have done using Python or R programming language, then it will be a great advantage. So the desired skills, these you can read, right? Excellent verbal, written and interpersonal communication skills, collaborative team focused attitude, problem solving skills, statistical knowledge will be advantage. After that, ability to understand and communicate technical concepts to both technical and non-technical audiences. So if you have these skills, then you are good to apply. Now let's again zoom out. Yeah, so how to apply, that is very easy. So here you can see it is showing 1 to 3 years. Don't worry, you can ignore this one. Actually 0 to 1 year of experience candidates can apply, right? So here you can click here, apply to job, right? After that, you need to fill your email ID and password if you have any account. Then if you don't have an account, don't worry, click here, don't have an account yet. After that, you need to scroll. After scrolling, you need to click here, agree. After that, you need to fill these details: email ID, password, re-enter password, security question and question 2, right? You can answer here, and there are 3 security questions you need to type and answer of all the 3 security questions. Then click on the continue. Once you will click on this continue, then your account will be created. And after that, what you have to do, you need to sign in, right? After signing, you need to fill the details, then you need to submit the application. So once you will submit the application, after that, if they shortlist your profile, then they will send you the online exam link. Yes, so please apply. This is really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel, I'll provide link in the description box. You can join our WhatsApp channel as well. Links are already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment, so please check it out. Also, if you want, then you can follow me on Instagram. Links are already given in the description box. Please check it out. Yeah, thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to this channel for more such videos.